Now your machine's going to come with a hardware kit, as seen here. It's going to have these pieces, and the end, you want it to look like this when it's set up. So what you're going to want to do is start with this plate and this piece. You'll see there's 1 star and 2 stars. You want to make sure the 1 star is on the bottom and the leg here needs to face in. So 1 star on the bottom facing just like that. It gets mounted on this hole. So you'll start with this bolt here, it goes through on this side, and you're going to have to get this washer on it after. Make sure it goes over the shoulder there and settles all the way down. So it'll be this bolt through here, this washer, this arm, and this nut to hold it in place. Then you're going to want to set it up on this bracket just like that with these screws through, then the lock washer and nut from underneath. And then once all of that's assembled, you're going to have to take this little spring here and it connects to this hole and this hole. Now this spring does work, but we really recommend a heavier duty spring we sell here. Once you have your whole coin slide set up, all of your components on it there, you just slide it into the machine. You're going to have to tilt it a little to get it started. Once you're locked in, take the chute bolt and just go in from behind and tighten that guy up. Now, a few other relevant parts. We've got the money box, a lock and key set, and the new vent kit for your dryers, the 4-prong dryer cords, and the 3-prong dryer cords.